Model 2003 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 1.9 DTI short wheelbase, low roof camper project, full MOT ready to drive body, silver, camper mileage 149585 MOT, the 20th of December 2025 engine, 1870 cc 1.9 DTI transmission, 6-speed manual, front wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. This van has been part converted into a camper in the rear. With loads of potential and the sky being the limit, this could make a great family getaway. Some of the key features have already been installed and just require some TLC to get it over the and/nbsp, finish and NBSP line. Features: part service history, wind-up windows, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999723.